What's up, everyone? This is Cowboy B here with Wet Jet Performance. I wanted to show you guys a little hack that I do with the Link gas caddy. It's a pain in the butt to use on the water. If anybody's tried it, you should try this spout, and it comes up and you have to kind of like put it on here, take it off, push it, all that good stuff. And it's not fun, so don't like it. What I did was take the cap off, and I went to Home Depot. Got another gas can. I think they're called like Sure Can or something like that. No, it's called Scepter. But the top is the same, and it has the trigger. So instead of doing all that pushing and pulling on the water, I transfer the cap over to here, and I make sure it's facing in. Use the trigger when you need to tilt it over to get gas. Stop like that, then it's off. So let me show you how it looks. I want to show you guys this right here on the cap. Used to have a long hose on it. Take it, cut it down with a razor blade, so that way when you pour the gas over, it's going right in here and it's not all the way down the bottom. So you got to cut it all the way off right here to the spigot and where the hose is at. Or you can pop it all the way off, but I just cut it and keep it good. Okay, I transferred the cap over here. Once you get it on tight, using one hand here, let me put my foot up here. You can twist it around however you want it. So I normally ride with it in like that. Then when I have to put gas in here, twist it out. Tilt it over, start pumping gas. You go ahead, tilt it over, use your other hand to hit the trigger. And you put the gas in there and you're good to go. Flip it down. You never have to fumble with this over here. So this is a cool hack. Some people may like it, some people not. Just trying to save you a little hassle on the water. And it's like, I think I got it on sale for $9.99, and you can keep that at home. Okay, we're gonna show you how to use this baby here. So say you're out filling up your jet ski. You take the green and you depress it, you pull the trigger, and you're gonna press down on the green. Gas coming out. Simple as that. Let the trigger go, gas stops. Way easier than using that yellow spout that comes with the OEM BRP caddy. Whenever you finish up, putting your gas in, make sure you put the cap on. Already put it on, pop it off, nothing spills out. Take it, twist it back in, put your caddy back on the back, get back to riding. Hey, I hope y'all find this helpful. This has been Cowboy B with Wet Jet Performance with another DIY hack. Y'all have a great one.